The masks are coming off here in Washington at the stroke of midnight.
So how are we doing in King County? Steve Bunin has the latest update from the King 5 newsroom.
Well, cases in King County are now down to the levels they were before the Omicron wave. So that's obviously a huge improvement from what we've seen the last couple of months. On average, we still do have one person getting hospitalized every 4 hours in King County from COVID. Still, the county health director, Dr. Jeff Duchin, says, yes, the numbers are good enough. We should definitely be lifting the mask mandates as we are doing. But he says that doesn't mean the same thing as, oh, the pandemic is over.
COVID-19 is still circulating and some risk remains, especially for people with weakened immune systems from disease or medications.
He says not to throw away our masks, that we will need them when the next surge comes.
It's critical to take advantage of this lull in COVID-19 activity to improve our preparedness for future surges. And I encourage everyone to do what you can to make improvements wherever possible to indoor ventilation in your homes, your businesses, and other public spaces.
Dr. Duchin says, like most of the other scientists that we talk to, getting vaccinated and boosted remains the best way to kind of get back to normal. And 93% of King County residents have had at least one shot. But the younger kids who are eligible, 5 to 11-year-olds, only half of them in King County have gotten their 2 shots. So he says we have to work on that. Dr. Duchin says getting vaccinated is, quote, critically important. If you're unvaccinated, he says, COVID will find you. From the King 5 newsroom, I'm Steve Bunin.
As Washington prepares to take off masks, businesses like Sweet Notes Cafe in Kent, which opened right before the pandemic, are hoping to finally get a taste of what normal looks like. Many small shops that we spoke with during the pandemic say that they had a hard time turning away customers without a mask when business was already so slow. Well, lately, Sweet Notes has been slammed, and the owners say that they are happy about the extra foot traffic.
As a business, I was trying to decide what's best and not trying to push your customers away. It was just hard, but we're actually excited. I feel like, you can actually see people smile, and it's just so much better for customer service.
While many businesses like that one welcome mask removal, not everyone is ready to lift the mandate. Many local arts organizations are keeping their mask mandates in place for now. That includes Seattle Symphony, Opera, and the Pacific Northwest Ballet. Also keeping a mask mandate, the Paramount, Moore, and Neptune theaters. Leaders told the Seattle Times they will reassess their policies in the future, but for now, they're keeping them in place. They say not only is the safety of guests important, so is that of the performers. Some venues are also keeping their proof of vaccination requirement. Businesses do have the right to keep those mandates in place if they so choose.
The expiration of the mask mandate comes as COVID cases here in Washington significantly decline and level out. Cases are averaging around 1,000 a day. Looking at the last 9 months, when the mandate was lifted for the first time, that average is about double. The 7-day rolling average was hovering around 350 in the summer.